Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to unrestrict your Instagram account, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to do it. Watch complete video to know how to unrestrict an Instagram account. First of all, open Instagram app from your mobile device. Then click on profile icon in the right bottom. This is your Instagram profile. Now click on three lines at top right. A list of different options will appear. You have to click on settings. Well, now you have to go to privacy section. Now scroll down and click on restricted accounts in connections section. Then click on continue. Here you will see a list of accounts that you have restricted on Instagram. To unrestrict an account, you have to click on unrestrict button in front of the profile name. In this way, you can unrestrict all the restricted accounts one by one. This is easy and simple way to unrestrict restricted accounts on Instagram. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.